Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Asriadi Rasid dari STAI Al-Azhari Mamuju. Terima kasih banyak atas kesempatan diberikan kepada saya untuk mempresentasikan paper saya dengan judul The Combinations of British Parliamentary Debate and Peer Assessment in Teaching Speaking. Okay, so language is a system in expressing of meaning. Its primary functions for interactions and support the communications. And as human being, language is used to communicate or speak orally in order to know and understand each other. And then English language is used by millions of people around the world. In Indonesia, for example, it is considered as foreign language that has been taught from elementary school up to university. Termasuk di Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare, it has speaking subject in English study program. In education aspect, the students confidently to be able to speak English fluently in order to they can face and compete the technology development. The use of English for speaking is not simple. Kenapa? Karena itu mengcover beberapa elemen of speaking such as vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and fluency that must be mastered by the students in order to be good English speaker. But in this case, this is the responsible of the teacher on how they can, demand to create a specific activity which is able to bring the students to speaking environment in order to solve the problem that faced by the students in learning English. So English teachers should be more create many activities to stimulate students to speak in order to improve the student speaking skill. And one of them that could be implemented by the teacher in English classroom is debate and peer assessment. Kita ketahui bahwa saat ini tuh ada banyak beberapa style dari debate, termasuk British parliamentary style, Asian style, American style, and Australian style. But in this case, peneliti akan memilih British parliamentary debate style untuk digunakan dalam penelitian ini karena debate BP ini yang paling general yang digunakan, baik itu di World University Debating Championship dan di Eropa Universities Debating Championship. And furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why the student speaking ability is still low, it is because the teacher more focusing on the textbook and teaching speaking by asking students to memorize sometimes and make it a simple dialogue or do something like that. So this data is obtained by giving the questionnaire toward to the students, and the result discover about 60% students state that they are unsatisfied on teaching activity in their classroom. So based on that previous explanation, the researcher focused to conduct the research under the title The Combinations of British Parliamentary Debate and Peer Assessment in Teaching Speaking. Now about the research question, does the combinations of British parliamentary debate and peer assessment improve the student speaking ability of English department at Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare? And the objective of the research is to find out whether or not the combinations of British parliamentary debate and peer assessment able to improve the student speaking ability of English department at Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare. And dalam penelitian ini juga ada related findings or beberapa peneliti terdahulu yang relevan dengan penelitian ini. Yang pertama ada Arung 2016 dengan judul penelitian yaitu Improving the Student Speaking Skill Through Debate Technique, di mana dalam penelitiannya itu dia menemukan bahwa debate itu bisa meningkatkan student speaking ability. Itu bisa dilihat dari adanya peningkatan dari setiap cycle, baik itu dari cycle 1, kemudian di cycle 2 adanya improvement. Yang kedua ada dari Fawzan 2016 with the title Enhancing Speaking Ability of EFL Students Through Debate and Peer Assessment, di mana dia juga menemukan bahwa penggunaan dari debate and peer assessment ini tuh bisa meningkatkan speaking ability of EFL students. Itu bisa dilihat dari student score in pretest there was improvement in post-test. Kemudian yang ketiga ada Somjen Jensen dengan judul penelitian yaitu The Use of Debate Technique to Develop Speaking Ability of Grade 10 Students. Dia juga menemukan bahwa penggunaan debat teknik itu bisa meningkatkan dan mengembangkan student speaking ability. And then, in some pertinent ideas, definition of speaking according to Arham et al. And there was BP style according to Sialagan in Sumatra. And definition of peer assessment, there was self in 2017. Adapun metode yang digunakan dalam penelitian ini yaitu in the research design, method yang digunakan oleh peneliti yaitu quasi experimental method with the two groups, namely experimental class and control class. Kemudian untuk variabel penelitian ini yaitu independent variable, the combinations of British parliamentary debate and peer assessment, dan dependent variabelnya adalah student speaking ability. And then about the populations of this research is, was the third semester of English department students at Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare. Jadi populasinya itu adalah siswa jurusan bahasa Inggris di Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare tahun akademik 2018-2019. Kemudian untuk sampel, this research use cluster random sampling untuk menentukan sampelnya, yaitu di mana ada dua kelas yang diambil dari populasi, kemudian untuk merepresentasikan sebagai kelas eksperimental class dan kelas control. Terkait instrumen dalam penelitian ini, the instrument of this research was interview test. Jadi peneliti menggunakan interview test yang terdiri dari beberapa topik. Kemudian siswa akan memilih dari salah satu topik itu untuk dijelaskan. And then the researcher will interview the students with the free interview one by one, and the student's voice would like to, record by using smartphone, where each students have 5 until 7 minutes to explain the topic. The topic were about health, education, socioculture, and politics. So this test would give at the first meeting or before giving the treatment, and after giving the treatment, they will be test again. Procedure of collecting data, ada pretest, kemudian ada treatment, kemudian ada post-test. Untuk treatmentnya ini di experimental class, peneliti akan menerapkan the kombinasi dari British Parliamentary Debate and peer assessment, kemudian untuk dikontrol grupnya menggunakan reporting. Kemudian untuk teknik of analysis data, untuk score speaking itu menggunakan based on P2RST by Amang Latifah. Kemudian untuk calculate the mean score menggunakan standar deviasi and t-test by using SPSS versi 21. Kemudian untuk testing hipotesisnya juga. Nah, terkait hasil dari penelitian ini, kita bisa lihat dalam tabel ini, the student speaking ability in pretest, kita lihat the mean score in experimental class itu 38 for 43, kemudian di control class 31.25. Kemudian the percent of student speaking ability, rata-rata siswa masih berada di very poor klasifikasi ya. Kita lihat dari experimental class ada 12 siswa yang termasuk very poor classifications. Even so in the control class ada 14 siswa yang masuk di kategori very poor classification dan tidak ada yang berada di good classification or even in very good classification. Kemudian setelah pengimplementasian treatment, the student speaking ability in post test, kita lihat di sini mean score-nya itu di experimental class meningkat menjadi 59,68, kemudian di control class ada 49,6, kemudian standar deviasinya 10,40, kemudian untuk control class 12. Nah, kita lihat di sini persentase student speaking ability in post test ada improvement, yang tadinya nggak ada di good classifications, sekarang ada 4 siswa yang berada di good classification, di control class ada 2 siswa yang mendapatkan good classifications. Untuk very poor-nya sisa 1 mahasiswa, kemudian untuk control class ada 6 siswa berada di poor classification itu. So we can see that the hypothesis testingnya sini, pretest, the significant value 0,05 itu lebih besar, lebih kecil dibandingkan probability value. Nah, itu mengidentifikasi bahwa there is no significantly differences between the students before giving the treatment and then after giving the treatment. Nah, setelah post test kita lihat bahwa significant value-nya di sini itu lebih kecil, lebih besar, maksud saya lebih besar daripada probability value. Itu mengidentifikasikan bahwa ada significantly differences between the students who are taught by British Parliamentary Debate and peer assessment setelah penerapan treatment tersebut. Nah, berdasarkan hal tersebut, kita bisa menyimpulkan bahwa teaching speaking through British Parliamentary Debate and can improve the student speaking ability of the first semester of English department at Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare, it can be proved by the mean score of the student post test in experimental class itu lebih tinggi dibandingkan skor siswa yang ada di control class. Moreover, the probability value itu was lower than the significant value. Nah, the analysis show that the alternative hypothesis was effective. It means that the fourth semester of English department students speaking ability at Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare for experimental class and control class was significantly different. Terima kasih banyak atas perhatiannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.